Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following me here on the channel or on Mopar Insiders or 5th Gen Rams, last week you probably heard me say that, hey, Ram has released containment of the 2026 Ram 1500 powered by the 5.7 liter HEMI V8 from the Sterling Heights assembly plant in Michigan. Now, we knew that these trucks were headed for dealers, but I can officially say today that dealers are starting to get them on the lots, especially here in Michigan and some in Ohio. I've seen a couple in Illinois already, so they're starting to roll out nationwide. But luckily today, my dad actually went to one of my favorite dealers, Clair Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in St. Clair, Michigan. They're good friends of mine. They actually sold me my 2019 Ram 1500, but he went there and they actually had 4 Ram 1500s with 5.7 liter Hemis on their lot. All of them were Bighorn Night Edition packages. You actually had 1 silver one, 1 hydro blue one, and 2 diamond black trucks. But you can see here's a picture of them, and there's the symbol of protest badge right on the side of the truck. So again, you're going to be able, probably the next couple weeks, across the nation, to go into your Ram dealer and actually purchase one of these trucks. And this is big for Ram. A lot of people are just kind of pushing this under the table, but this is big because when I was at a recent Ram event, they actually told us that they did some internal surveying with previous customers and stuff. And a lot of people, I'm talking about 40% of Ram owners, said that they would not return to the Ram brand if there was not a V8 option.
We removed it from our lineup. Our customers were frustrated. The dealers felt the impact. So we heard that loud and clear. We needed to act. So not only did we bring the HEMI back, the HEMI will also come standard with the Sport exhaust. So anytime a customer turns on their truck, they're going to hear and know why Ram brought this back. Do you guys know that there's still 3.6 million Hemis on Ram light-duty trucks today? And that 40% of customers would switch brands if a V8 was not offered? That tells us one thing. The HEMI is just not wanted, it's expected.
So this is why this thing is so important. This is why we're talking about the HEMI nonstop. Yeah, it's an old engine. It's been around since 2003, and it's been updated a few times, but nonetheless, the HEMI is a solid part of the Ram portfolio, and it's a very important one because if you lose 40% of your buyers, I mean, you're done. And we've already seen that the Ram, 1500 has been struggling because of having the, Pentastar V6 and the new inline sixes under the hood of those trucks. Even though the inline sixes provide more power, people just want the V8. So that is a huge thing for Ram, and it's good to see that these trucks are on dealers and you can go to, the dealers that have them right now and actually take one home. So we're going to start seeing a lot of people bring their trucks home in the next couple of weeks. Tim Kaniskis said that the first day that they opened orders, that there was an order for 10,000 trucks right off the bat. And since then, there's probably been an additional 25, 30,000 trucks that have been ordered. So again, Sterling Heights Assembly is going to be busy building Ram 1500 trucks to meet demands, so that's good. On top of that, I've had a lot of questions asking me about the pricing structure, and we kind of laid it out kind of simple, but a lot of people are reading Ram's websites and getting confused. But I figured, hey, we'll go through and talk about what the pricing structure is for the HEMI. Now, the very interesting part is I'll put a little kind of diagram up here on the screen. But if you actually look at what Ram is doing for 2026, now the HEMI is available on almost every trim level except for obviously the RHO, which still has the high output Hurricane and the premium, ultra premium tungsten. So that continues to have only the Hurricane high output. If you look at the Rebel, if you're wondering about buying a Rebel, you will be able to get the Rebel with the 5.7 HEMI, but you're going to have to wait a few more months. They're still working out some software stuff with that truck, and eventually it will roll out probably after the first of the year. So again, Rebel's coming, but you can get, your Tradesman, your Warlock, your Express, Bighorn, Laramie, Longhorn, and Limited trucks, all with the 5.7 HEMI right now. So one of the cool things that my dad actually took a picture of was the window sticker. So I'll put it up here. You can kind of see it. It's kind of glared over, but you can see that it says 5.7 liter V8 HEMI MDS VVT eTorque engine with start-stop, and it's $2,895. And with that, it basically comes with, again, you can see symbol of protest badge, a 33-gallon fuel tank, active noise control system, and GT exhaust. So again, this is a lot, like one of the big exciting things is it's a lot different than the 2024 trucks. In the 2024 trucks, you just got the 5.7 liter HEMI. So with this truck, they're obviously you get this nice looking badging on the side of the truck, but you get a 33-gallon fuel tank, which is basically optional on the Hurricane. if you want a 33 gallon fuel tank on the Hurricane, you're going to pay $445. You're getting it standard with the HEMI. On top of that, that GT exhaust, which was only available on the Rebel and Laramie GT trucks back in 2024, basically it's the Mopar catback exhaust. So if you were going to order that exhaust through Mopar, it would cost you $1,700 at the time. Now it's standard across the whole lineup. It doesn't matter if you buy a tradesman or you buy a limited. It comes standard with the 5.7 HEMI. So if you think about it, in 2024, the actual package just for the HEMI was $3,045. They cut $150 off of it for 2026. You get a 33-gallon fuel tank, which is again is a $445 option on the Hurricane, and then you get a $1,700 Mopar exhaust system, which is made by Borla, free. So basically, I mean, you're getting, about $2,200 in content on top of the $2,895 you're paying.
Currently, our truck lineup is standard with the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6. That's in Tradesman and Bighorn. And then for Laramie and Rebel, we have the standard SO Hurricane. And then our limited Longhorn and up, we have the standard high output. So we've kind of segmented our powertrains into the price classes. Yes, in the Tradesman and Bighorn, you can option up to the SO Hurricane. But for the most part, we've kind of segmented the powertrains. We're not going to do that with HEMI, right? So the HEMI is available throughout the price classes, throughout the lineup. So the way they're going to do that is $1,200 option above the SO Hurricane. So on Tradesman and Bighorn, where you have that option to SO Hurricane, you another $1,200 gets you the HEMI. For the Laramie and Rebel, that's the $1,200 option, brings in that powertrain. And then on limited, Longhorn, and premium price class, where HO is standard, it's going to be a no-charge option to switch over to HEMI. So no charge there. Why does a customer want to spend $1,200 to get the HEMI? Well, I think they told you a lot about why, right? 40% of our customers won't even consider a truck coming back from a V8 if it's not an option. But why is that? It's the feeling, right? It's the sound. It's ripping through the gears. It's the noise that the HEMI makes, and it's knowing you have 8 cylinders behind you when you're trying to get work done, and that's what our truck customers care about. And so we're doubling down on that with the GT exhaust. I know that they mentioned that to you as well. When that was available through Mopar previously on the last gen, or the before the MCA, the 24 model year and before, it was a $1,700 Mopar option. So you're getting big value there. For the guys ordering right now, we're also going to offer a 33-gallon fuel tank, which is typically a $445 MSRP option. That's included in that $1,200. So over $2,000 in additional value coming in with that $1,200 package. If you consider the outgoing HEMI, was standalone option at $3,045, I believe, Jake?
Yeah.
$3,045. So coming in here, $1,200 above the SO. We dropped the price of the SO from $25 to $26, $1,000. So you're actually getting the HEMI for less than we were offering the Hurricane last model year. So really packing a punch from a value standpoint, but also from the actual MSRP option price.
So hopefully that kind of, makes you a little bit understand. A lot of people, like I said, had a lot of questions about how the pricing structure is. I've gotten tons of emails on people just saying, I hear it's $1,200 here. I hear it's $3,000 here. What's going on? Hopefully that helps you guys out. But nonetheless, be excited because the HEMI is back and it's in dealers now. So let me know what you guys think. Have you seen them yet on your local dealers? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.